this video, I'm going to show you how to launch or start next new project while in Filmora Video Editor. So you can see I've just finished this project and I'd like to begin another new project. You can actually jump to the next project by just following these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to save your current project once you have completed it. To go to the next project or to open a new project while inside this project, just head over to Files here and then click on New Project. You can go ahead and select the specific aspect ratio of the new project that you wish. So I'll go ahead and select 16:9, and this will go ahead and change this to a whole new project. From here now, you can begin by importing your media. So you can simply go ahead and start dropping your media here. So I'll select my media file and then drop it here. And you can see I've added a new project here. You can further go ahead and name your project as you wish. So that's how you can start the next project while in Filmora Video Editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.